Hi, today I've heard of Motorola Moto G62 5G and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to add the widget to our device home screen, we should first hold for a while our screen with the finger, and after that we should click here to the widgets icon. After that, we'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar app widgets. We can see here two different types of the widget: the full month view and the calendar schedule. Just let's add the schedule, hold it, and then just drag it to your home screen. If you want to resize the widget, you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And just to move it here on the home screen or between the screens, or just to create the new screens for the widget, we should hold it and just drag it. And if you want to remove it from your home screen, just hold it and go, just drag it to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.